Gel Memory Foam Wedge Pillow by Brentwood Home. Hi, I'm Kasia, and I'm an Alexander Technique teacher, and I specialize in posture and alignment and helping people do the things they love without back pain or neck pain or any kind of discomfort. And so today I'm here to review the Gel Memory Foam Wedge Pillow by Brentwood Home. This one here. I picked up these wedge pillows because I was very curious about them. I heard a lot of stuff on the radio about how good they are and how you should be sleeping with them. And so I decided to pick up a few and test them out. So the cushion itself, it comes with this lovely cover. And like it says on the package, it's got memory foam and foam. So it sort of looks like this. It's got some memory foam on top, just sitting on top of foam. So it's actually pretty firm. And that's interesting in terms of just using it in your everyday life. Like if you want to use it to read a book or just sit up and watch TV in bed, you know, it's kind of interesting. You could do quite a few things with it. In terms of sleeping, not so sure, but I think that if you're okay with sleeping on your back and you don't move around a lot, it could be an interesting option for you. Also, if you're somebody who has a lot of acid reflux, or if you have allergies or you have a cold and you have lots of congestion, you're prone to that, this kind of thing is very interesting because it keeps you slightly upright so that everything can sort of drain downward away from your face and help you breathe. My only question would be sleeping on your side is a little more difficult using something like this. So I'm not so sure I'd recommend it if you're a side sleeper. However, that being said, you know, you can use it. I'm going to use two of them. So you can use them for different ways. And one way is to just lie in bed on your pillows and have support under your knees to help elongate and relax your lower back. Or you can do it with two wedge pillows, which is very nice. And I've done a video on reading a book using the wedge pillows, which is super comfortable. I know there are other ways you can use it. There's a picture even here where you can sit up. You can sit up with it upright. So I guess you could sit up with it this way against a wall or a desk or whatever. And you can sit this way and have a nice, comfortable support behind you, which is great as well. My only complaint about it is that when I bought them, the smell was like unbelievable when I unpacked them. However, there are fumes, and I guess it's just the normal fumey smell of foam. I had to air these guys outside for 3 days, and I had to wash these covers that are on top of them about 3 times as well. It's much better, but I had to work to get rid of those fumes. So just letting you know, I got this at Costco. It was $50, but it's the Gel Memory Foam Wedge Pillow by Brentwood Home. And overall, I think it's a pretty good product. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this was helpful. And let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions or would like me to talk about anything else. Thanks for watching.